So I'm just gonna make a video today, and I'm just kind of patting down my eyes right now because I literally look like a fish without patting it in. So anyways, don't mind me doing this, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do a simple natural kind of like a natural look, but also like give it a little pop, just for taking pictures and stuff. So if you want to see the pictures with my outfit and my makeup all together, you can go ahead and follow me on my social media accounts, and it will be at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so what I'm going to use today is my Tattoo Studio from Maybelline. And you can buy this at any store, drugstore. Honestly, it's the best. Make sure that when you do buy it though, close it, because I did not close it for many times, and it is a little hard after you expose it to air a lot. But if you don't and you are very good with closing your stuff, but I'm not, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll just show you exactly a little elegant little, I don't know what you're gonna say. But anyways, I'll just go ahead and finish them off camera, and then I'll show you. Okay? Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do just a simple brown shade, like a light brown, on our eyelid. So let me go ahead and show you which light brown I am talking about. I usually use this one right here. As you can tell, I do use it a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and dip my blending brush. Oh my gosh, everything's falling. Alright, I'm going to dip my blending brush into this brown right here. And we're just going to apply it all over the lid. Hold on, sorry, I have a little bear right here.
Tight ship, so beware. I'm like the ringleader, I call the shot. I'm like a firecracker, I make it hot when I put on a show. I feel the adrenaline moving through my veins. Spotlight on me.
Alright, so I am done with both eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you which eyeliner I use. Just to give it a pop of color. Alrighty, so we are gonna use this eyeliner right here. I'm gonna link it below if you do like how this product works. They also have different colors like green, blue, purple. I forgot what other color. I think orange. Yeah. So there's a variety of just colors. Let me go ahead and show you how this will look on my eye. Alright guys, so make sure when you're using this product you do put water on it, because otherwise it will not work. But let me just show you how I do my eyeliner. So we're going to start from the end and then kind of just push it up. So as you can tell, it kind of just like really just looks really cute. I love pink and brown together. It's just so pretty. So let me go ahead and finish the other side, and then I'll show you how it looks. It just looks so cute. I love it. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna pack on this pink just so it can kind of match with my eye and just like look like, you know, like basically my face is gonna look like super pink and just really cute. Alright, so let me just show you what I'm kind of envisioning. Alright guys, so you're gonna get your translucent powder and you're just going to basically put it on top of your lashes. So basically it just gives you more volume and it just looks really cool. It just, I don't know, let me just go ahead and show you what I'm kind of like talking about. But make sure that you do coat it like nicely on there, because this is really gonna help your eyelashes look super long. Okay, so let me go ahead and just show you what I'm talking about basically. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I find any like I'm gonna go ahead and just try to find mascara that would really like lift those eyes like bats, like just lift it up. Girl, you gotta be in the spirit. It is spooky season. Come on. Yes. Okay, I'll be right back. Ugh. All right, so I got all these little mascaras right here, and I am gonna go ahead and just use the Clinique one first, and we're just gonna put those eyelashes up, upper. Okay, so we're gonna get our Too Faced Better Than, you know, I'm not gonna say it, but you know. All right, so let's just pop that on. All right, guys, so this is the final look of my eyelashes, and they are super popping. Yeah, I honestly really do recommend putting on powder before you put on your eyelashes. The powder that I use to basically lift my eyelashes a little bit to give them more volume is this powder right here. I'll link it below if you are interested in trying this little trick. So this is the final look. I just put on what I had on nude lip, and that's pretty much it. I just did my brows, put a little blush, a little highlighter, as you can tell, and that's pretty much. And I just love this look. It's very like simple. You can like wear it anywhere, honestly, and I hope you just like it. If you did like this video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment. I would greatly appreciate that. And I just want to thank you so much for watching my videos once again. Please subscribe if you are interested in any of my content, which I hope you are, because I try my hardest and this is so fun to do. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye, guys.